And then he betrayed me. He just wanted to dump me overnight. You wanna play this game, I'll play the same game.
स्प्लिट्सविला सीजन 15 की सबसे चर्चित प्रतियोगियों में से एक कशिश कपूर ने अपने और एडी ज़ैन के रिश्ते के बारे में खुलकर की बात और बताया कि उनका और एडी का क्यों हुआ था ब्रेकअप। जी हां, टेलीटॉक इंडिया को दिए गए एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू के दौरान कशिश ने इस बात का खुलासा किया कि कैसे उन्होंने एडी को माफ कर दिया था। क्या कुछ कहना था कशिश का एडी के बारे में, आइए आपको सुनाते हैं।
Tell me about Addy. Now, there was again a very big twist in that tale. It was sort of confirmed that you and Addy were a couple. Yes or no?
Kind of, yeah.
And then what happened?
And then he betrayed me. That happened. So we were never really a match or suitable for each other. We were together because of situation. Haath bande the. Didn't have other options. But since we got together, we got attached. That continued. But I don't know what happened, and he just wanted to dump me overnight. Not like I got to know about it overnight. I'm sure it happened over a period of time. So when that happened, I was like, fine. If you wanna play this game, I'll play the same game. So then I did what I did. That happened.
You weren't hurt?
Heavily, yaar. How will I not be hurt? So I don't get attached to a lot of people or call them my friends or even speak. I'm neutral to others. Fark nahi padta. You know, the cold exterior, I don't quite care. But with him, I had spent a lot of time and seen a lot of moments. So definitely I was attached. And had this hurt come from someplace else like Harsh, I wouldn't have cared. But क्या बोलते हैं, औरों से क्या शिकायत करें, गम तो अपनों के चुभते हैं ना. So I was very hurt कि like seriously, et tu brute, you did this to me. And the worst part कि चल ठीक है तुमने किया, admit it ना. I can forgive the biggest of the mistakes as long as you're genuinely apologetic and come to me. He never agreed to it. I brought proofs कि bro, he is the proof. You told कि इसने बोला था. He is saying कि yeah bro, you did it. And he's saying no, I didn't do it. I was just kidding. So that part hurt me even more. And then when I couldn't console myself when he was getting dumped, and that was very real. I have not faked any emotion. But उसके लिए ज़्यादा important उसका male ego था उस समय. I saw in the exit interview very recently, he's spoken so much he hasn't even mentioned my name. I see all that and definitely I was very affected.
So no contact with him after the show?
Yes, civil. No, we did have a contact after the show as well. But then we are very different.
I mean, you called him?
He called me. I didn't. नहीं, मेरे मन से उतर गया था.
So what did he say?
He apologized. And as I mentioned, I'm a very nice person. You apologize to me and I'll forgive you. So he apologized, I forgave, we chilled for a while, we spoke, but then we realized कि nope, we are very different. And it's better to just, call it a day rather than fight for everything every time. तो जितनी भी soft corner attachment है, let's respect that. And I said, you know what? हो गया.
He apologized, so...
Yeah, of course he did. तभी तो मिले थे, वरना नहीं मिलते. वहाँ मेरा female ego आता है, like you will do it. And he did. But then I was like, अब नहीं हो पाएगा.
You made a statement about Addy that he's a bachcha.
Yeah.
Now, suddenly, what did you see in him? I mean, that you found him as a kid.
I saw that thing from the very first day. मैं बोलते नहीं आई थी कि not my type, immature. Because he was immature. That तो कोई दो राह है ही नहीं. I liked him or got attached to him despite him being immature. But him being immature was a constant. And it still is.
Like, can you tell us one example?
He gets manipulated very easily. He doesn't know when to say, what to say, how to say. He lacks a certain... He's a nice guy, I'm telling you. He doesn't have a bad heart. But these are the things that count. So, doesn't know when to talk, how to... emotional intelligence, वो थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है कम है. And very easily gets persuaded, doesn't have a strong stand. तो I was like, मैं ही हर बार समझाते रहूँ, मैं बेबी सिट नहीं कर सकती हूँ. So that is why I said it.
कुल मिलाकर कशिश ने खुलासा किया कि शो के बाद भी हम दोनों मिले थे. एडी ने मुझे फोन किया और माफी मांगी और मैंने उसे माफ कर दिया. लेकिन अब हम दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग हैं. वेल, आपका क्या कहना है इस पूरी खबर पर नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में हमें जरूर बताइएगा.